Have you been lying on your back under the sink, twisting and turning a faucet nut that refuses to budge? Before you grab a bigger wrench or call a plumber, watch this. Today, I'm going to show you 2 proven methods for removing a stubborn kitchen faucet nut, even if it's rusted solid after years of use. Welcome back to Flathead DIY. Let's get started. Before removing anything, turn off the hot and cold water supply valves under the sink. Place a towel or small bucket underneath to catch any remaining water. Now take a look at the retaining hardware holding your faucet in place. Most kitchen faucets use one of 2 common styles. The first is a metal mounting bracket, secured by a standard nut. The second is a plastic or metal lock, nut designed specifically for quick installation. Let's start with the first type. If the nut and bracket are heavily rusted, trying to unscrew them usually wastes time. Instead, focus on the mounting bracket itself. In many cases, it's the weakest part of the assembly. Insert 2 flathead screwdrivers between the bracket and the faucet shank. Carefully pry the screwdrivers apart. As pressure builds, the bracket will often crack or separate. Once broken, the remaining pieces can usually be removed by hand. If corrosion is severe, a cold chisel, oscillating tool, or small grinder can speed up the process. Just work carefully to avoid damaging the sink or surrounding plumbing. With the bracket removed, the faucet should lift straight out from above the sink. Now, let's look at the second style of retaining nut. These locked nuts can be extremely difficult to turn, especially in tight spaces. One effective solution is to weaken the nut by drilling through it. Using a cordless drill and an appropriate drill bit, carefully drill into one side of the retaining nut. Continue until the nut begins to split or lose its structural strength. Once weakened, insert a flathead screwdriver into the opening and gently pry the nut apart. Remove the broken pieces one section at a time. After the retaining nut is fully removed, return to the top side of the sink and pull the old faucet straight up and out. And that's it. 2 simple methods that can help remove even the most stubborn kitchen faucet nuts without spending hours fighting with them. If this video saved you time, frustration, or a service call, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more DIY faucet repair and installation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.